Do you have intense junk food cravings and it's really holding you back from reaching your health and fitness goals? Well, in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to stop craving junk food. Okay, so number one, you wanna follow a high satiety diet. This is really important, especially with managing sugar cravings. When you are not eating enough protein and you're eating too many carbs, you're gonna be craving sugar. There is a direct correlation between sugar cravings and protein consumption. So what does a high satiety diet look like? You want to be consuming about 100 grams of protein a day. I find that this amount is pretty good across the board, no matter what your weight is. As long as you are digesting protein properly, 100 grams of protein a day is a good amount for most people. And you also want to be getting lots of healthy fats in your diet. Protein and fat are the high satiety foods. And if you're eating an abundance of fats and about 100 grams of protein a day, this is going to really help you manage cravings, keep you fuller for longer, really give you more control over cravings in general. So you want to have 100 grams of protein, lots of healthy fats. Healthy fat examples are avocado, coconut oil, coconut cream, sprouted nuts and seeds. You can do nut butters, extra virgin olive oil. These are all really good fat sources. And then of course, you can do good carb options are, you wanna be doing low glycemic complex carbs. So for example, sweet potato, squash, berries, right? We want to stay away from the sugary, high glycemic fruits like pineapple and mango, the tropical fruits and dried fruit. The thing with sugar is it's just going to cause a spike and crash in blood sugar levels, and it's just going to make you crave sugar. So you want to keep things low glycemic and not too much carbs. I find that moderate protein, high fat with a little bit of carbs is the best diet for weight loss. And everyone's a little bit different. Like there's some people that will really thrive on a ketogenic diet where it has very low levels of carbs, and then some people who do better on a little bit more carbs. So it's really all about experimenting and really tuning into your body and seeing how you feel best. But if you are eating more carbohydrates, you definitely want to stick to the low glycemic versions and keeping the fat high and the protein 100 grams a day. You want to get junk out of your diet. Here's the thing, junk food is addictive. It's full of chemicals. It's addictive. I know that for sure because when I was a young teenager, I worked at McDonald's. And I was eating McDonald's every day and I was addicted to it. I was craving it like crazy. I would just be craving a fish burger on my days off. Now I haven't had McDonald's in probably 10 years and I don't crave it. So you need to get these chemical-laden junk foods out of your diet and just reserve them for every once in a while if you really want them. But to be honest, if you get these foods out of your diet for long enough, you're not gonna crave them anymore. What you can also do is these days, there are so many healthy alternatives to junk food. So what you want to do is you want to go to health food stores like Whole Foods, for example, and you want to look through the products and start finding alternatives that have better quality ingredients. Like, for example, stuff that's sweetened with dates or with coconut sugar is going to be a better option than something that's sweetened with high fructose corn syrup or just regular table sugar. There's lots of healthy options. You just have to kind of find them at health food stores. Choose those instead of the junk, the conventional junk that you would normally eat, because products you're going to find at health food stores are going to have higher standards for sourcing ingredients. And real food and not chemical-laden foods, they're not going to be addictive in the same way because they're not going to be laden with the same addictive chemicals. Like for example, MSG is addictive. That's a flavor enhancer. So you just want to get the junk out of your diet and find healthy alternatives to the junk at health food stores. And then if you really, really want the junk, you just save it for every once in a while and you just keep it that way. What happens is when we get these foods out of our diet for long enough and we really fill our diet with a really nutrient dense array of foods, we stop craving the junk. But it takes some time to cleanse your palate. You are gonna have to go through a palate cleansing process, but you just have to be patient. Next, do a cleanse. Doing a cleanse is an amazing thing, and the best time to do it is in the spring, and it's fine in the summer. I don't recommend it doing in the middle of winter, doing like a juice fast or something like that. But doing a cleanse, even if it's just for a week or 5 days, can be an amazing way to cleanse your palate. After doing a cleanse, it's amazing how just really simple food is going to satisfy you, and you're just gonna love those plain flavors. It really is just an amazing way to cleanse your palate. Some cleanses that I really like the Dr. Scholl's liver cleanse. You're just following basically a vegan diet with green juices, and there's some different herbs in there. That's one of my favorites, and that's something you can check out doing in the spring or in the summer. All right, next, you wanna get the junk food out of your house. Just clear it out of your house. Even the junk food from health food stores, like healthier versions, make it something that you consume out of the house on occasion. Because if you have this kind of stuff in the house and you're having an unresourceful moment, you may just grab it and eat it without even thinking. So get that stuff out of the house and leave the treats for on occasion when you're not in the house. All right, guys, well, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And also be sure to grab my Healthy Fat Loss Secrets grocery list. It is an outline of the anti-inflammatory diet, and it is the best diet for achieving sustainable weight loss, for cleansing your palate, for helping you get over these junk food cravings. Also, just one more thing, just remembering keeping your protein at 100 grams a day, keeping your fats high, keeping a low sugar, low glycemic diet is going to be really helpful for eliminating cravings. If you just follow this diet for like a month, it should take about a month for you to stop having these sugar cravings and cravings for junk food all the time. So if you like this video, please like it, subscribe, share it with your friends, and comment below helpful if this video helped you. In this video, I shared with you how to stop craving junk food. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Hello, my friend. Be sure to check out the videos that I've hand selected for you here and here. And also subscribe to my channel here. And if there's any video topics in regards to natural health and fitness that you would like me to speak about, then please let me know in the comments below. And also just say hi. I would love to meet you. Have an amazing day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.